In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop pop-up ads on Android phone. If annoying pop-ups are getting in the way, we will walk through a clean, reliable way to shut them down using your browser settings, a system-wide DNS filter, and a quick security check. Stick with me and follow along on your phone. We will start in Google Chrome because most unwanted pop-ups come from websites that misuse permissions. Open the Chrome app on your Android device. In the top right, tap the three vertical dots to open the menu. Then choose Settings, scroll until you see Site Settings and tap it. Look for pop-ups and redirects on some versions. It might just say pop-ups and open that. Make sure the toggle is turned off. It should clearly indicate blocked or don't allow sites to send pop-ups. This prevents sites from opening extra windows or forcing you into pages you never asked for. If the wording looks a little different on your phone, don't worry. The key is that pop-ups are blocked. If you ever absolutely need a pop-up on a trusted site, you can always come back to this same spot and adjust it temporarily. Next, let's reduce ads across your entire phone with a network-level filter using private DNS. This helps stop many ad servers before they even load. And it works in browsers and a lot of free apps. Open your phone's main settings. Depending on your Android version, tap either Network and Internet or Connections. Find Private DNS and open it. Choose Private DNS Provider hostname. In the text box, type dns.adguard.com and then tap Save. Behind the scenes, this routes your DNS lookups through a provider that blocks many known ad and tracking domains. If you can't find private DNS, your device may not support it, but on most modern Android phones it's available. And if a particular app or site behaves oddly afterward, you can always return to this same menu and change the setting later. If pop-ups are still getting in the way or your phone feels off, let's run a quick security scan to rule out hidden adware. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Then select Play Protect. Tap Scan. Play Protect checks installed apps for suspicious behavior and flags anything that looks risky. It's built in, it's fast, and it doesn't require any extra downloads. That's it. Thanks for watching.